Let's go, Leah. You can't be scared of this. You just competed it last year. Leah, it's just a flick. Let's go. Sorry, you're gonna have to repeat that. Of course, wobbles don't count. So try again. This is taking too much time. Let's go. Today, Leah. Okay, that's gonna be a rope climb later. We don't balk in this gym. We'll stay here all night if we need to. Ladies, you guys can be done. Great job. Leah, get going.
All they do is yell at me. Like, I might as well quit. I'm not any good.
Yes, you are. You're a great gymnast.
I'm scared to come back, and I can't even tell my parents. They wouldn't understand.